Hello from the food forest. So we did it again. Added more fruit trees to our collection. If you have watched my last video about where I introduced all the fruit trees we are growing here at Permaculture Haven, so now more fruit trees added, and I would like to make an update on it now. So let's get into it. So we are here in the food forest number 3, I call it, because it's the youngest food forest we have created. It's behind the chickens, behind the birds area. This is the quails aviary, and I showed in my last video about the fruit trees everything what we've got here. These guys are already established. Behind the area, Seb made some more space, and we planted more fruit trees. We get into it very soon, but at the first I want to show you what I most likely forgot. I think I forgot when I made the last video about the fruit trees. I think I didn't talk about the candle nut that we've planted here about 3 months ago. So looking very healthy, very happy if you ask me. Yeah, looking forward. Beautiful tree. So now we've added just a few days ago the chestnut. That's the edible chestnut. Doesn't look very excited. I'm not sure if it was in the pot like this already, so I'm not sure if this is sunburned, but it does have new growth, or at least the start of it here. So I will be updating what's happening. So really hope it will make it. Does need mulch like all the other newly planted trees, so I will need to get into it very soon. On the way to the new area, well, we have planted here as well. This is the peanut butter tree, freshly planted, all from the pots, all grown from a seed or cutting. Now let's go over there. If you haven't seen my video about the fruit trees I already introduced, so just check my other videos. Okay, so this is the new area Seb just built, and we planted the new fruit trees here, the young ones. Basically the same system. So he made shallow trenches, moved basically the topsoil from here to the sides, building like a mound, so the fruit trees get a good start. They get more of the topsoil, and the rainwater collects in here when we get lots of rain, so the fruit trees later on can get the water they want, and won't sit in the water. The roots won't sit in the water. This is basically how we do. And now let's start from here. Another peanut butter. Let's have a look. So it looks like it's got a new growth in here. So here is an apple tree that I have to graft because it's grown from a seed. It's looking nice, but yeah, it's grown from a seed from a store-bought apple, and it needs to be grafted with one of my low-chill apple trees. So here we have a few jackfruits that I've got from a friend from our swap group. He grew it from a seed. I'm really happy about the new additions. These are the latex-free jackfruits. Hopefully they will like the new place. Yeah, as already said, I have to mulch all of them here. But it is very hot at the moment, so really not in the mood to do lots of gardening, to be honest, because it's just too hot and too humid. So this one, it looks like it's got a new growth. Happy baby. I'm concentrating on watering them every day or every second day because it's like really hot. This morning 8 a.m. it was 30 degrees Celsius and 90% or nearly 90% humidity, so you can imagine. New growth here as well on this one. So we will see how long they need to grow. Another one. No, wait a minute. This is the black sapote, the chocolate pudding tree. Yes, that I grew from a seed. And we have a second one on there as well. But here, in between, there is a new avocado tree grown from a seed. Looking good. Malaysian guava. This is the pink one guava. Pink purple one. A smaller guava variety. And here is another fruit tree. That's the black sapote, the chocolate pudding tree as well. We still need to build more mounds for the fruit trees. I will add one more here. Probably the longan will go in there that I just scored today from Bunnings. It was down to just $15 from $47, so it was a really good buy. And that's about the update of the newly planted fruit trees. Hopefully they will all like it here. And we will see how they go. So thanks for now, thanks for watching. Have a good one and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.